actually. My name's Gold.
You said what?
Gold?
What did you first talk?
I said it's funny actually, but my name's Gold.
Your name is Gold.
Yeah.
Gold.
Sorry.
Jesus.
Hey,
now you
that pig.
No.
Wait, now say you didn't do.
No.
Why you do like that?
It was an accident.
There's a pig.
It was an accident.
Jesus Christ, sorry.
So it's
What's your name?
Gold.
Gold digger.
No, just Gold. Gold.
What do you do for a living?
I do my best.
Can't I'm gonna go slap your nose.
Oh, that's naughty.
Huh? What do you do for a living?
I recently graduated, so I'm just chilling right now.
Like, sorry to ask, how old are you again?
Oh, 21.
20. Wow, 20. Shut. Is 21 good for me?
21. You're 24, you said no?
Me, I'm 24. She's 21. Are we good?
Yeah, you're good. You are good. Me, I'm not good. You're good.
You are. Why you did not go put me for problem?
No, no problem.
Okay. But
Fuck. What did you eat?
I-
Sardines. Was
Me?
Was he eating sardines and corned beef?
me?
Yeah.
What happened?
Sardines. Was he eating sardines?
Alpha, no, they put me for talk. Let me talk to this girl now.
Talk then.
Baby girl, can I like? How's your museum?
Oh, wow.
Eh?
I am brown and thick like Bueno.
No, like you said what?
I'm brown and thick like Bueno.
You're thick. Wow.
But not like wide, like thick like Bueno.
I like see girls. Can I touch you? Can I touch you? Let me touch your hand. Let me see how thick you are.
My hand.
Yeah, like your hand, like your hand.
Yeah.
Wow, you are thicky.
Yeah.
And she got muscle.
No, like she's thick. I like her.
Like,
Thank you.
And she got muscle.
Oh, you have a ring on? Are you
Yeah.
married?
No, that's my
Remove
smart.
it,
That's
remove
kind
it.
of expensive.
Jesus, put that back.
It's alright.
You look good. Like I've not seen you, but your voice,
Sorry.
Hey!
I not if you continue.
This is Greco.
No, I not if you continue. No. That's what you still. That's what you still.
It was an accident. Wait, okay.
Huh?
Can we start again?
Now, like, can you start out?
Can we start again?
That one be pork. This one's not haram. This is
What did they solve?
This one's pork.
Why you they do like that?
Because I get anxious sometimes.
You get that show that you do. Ah no. Ah baby.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Hey, what I would say is this is gold. I would, yeah.
Baby. But why did you do that?
It's like because sometimes I get anxious and a bit nervous. So sometimes, do you know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, but please, that thing is scaring me.
Sorry, I didn't mean.
Don't be
that.
scared.
Okay,
I'm here for
I
you.
like you. I like you. I like you. I love you for your everything, but I don't love museum.
Okay, well, some people have museums, others,
Others have libraries.
No problem. Is like, oh, how much you make every month?
around 25 grand.
25 pounds.
No, 25 grand.
Oh, 25 grams.
Grand.
Grand. What is that?
KKK.
Yeah.
35k.
Yeah.
Pound.
What do you do? What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
You're a teacher. What do you teach?
There's lots of like girls that I kind of teach how to be I'm a life confidence like a life coach.
You say? You're a life coach.
Yeah.
And you are making 35k. You just teach girls. What do you teach the girls to do?
How to be confident in their
How to be confident for waiting with pre? What did they confidence with?
to be confident within their souls and their
Within their souls.
yeah.
I'm suspecting you.
What?
Why you teach? What did you teach the girls?
How to be confident and love themselves as one.
What's the name again?
Gold.
Gold digger. Okay. Can I
Gold
hug you?
digger.
Oh, you look so. You are.
She take my
you,
money
oh,
when I'm in need.
I like you so well.
Yes, it's a type.
Take care of yourself, okay?
Yes,
Thank you.
indeed.
Bye bye.
Oh, she's a
Bye.
gold.
Say bye-bye. Chat. W respect.
That digs on
W gold.
She give me money.
Now I ain't saying she a gold.